Hello everyone, this is John. Mabuhay! Welcome back to John's Under the Sun. For today's video, we're going to learn lesson 2 about the amusing Filipino expressions and how to use them. These expressions will help you to sound like a native Filipino, such as para po, babababa, KKB, ansabe, sus Mariosep, anyare, di ba? I'm a Filipino. Pinoy ako. Pinoy ako. Pinoy ako. Pinoy ako. Pinoy is the term Filipinos use to call themselves. It's a casual nickname for Filipino, sort of like how New Zealanders are called Kiwis. In a formal way, we say, Ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay Pilipino. Pull over, please. Para po. Para po. Para po. Para po. If you're going to ride a jeepney, this is what you have to shout when you want the driver to stop and drop you off. What did he say? Ansabe? Ansabe. Ansabe? Ansabe? It's an informal shortcut for anong sinabi niya? Anong sinabi niya? Anong sinabi niya? What happened? Anyare. 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 This expression is uttered out of surprise during more lighthearted situations. It doesn't intend to ask what happened per se, but why something happened. For example, if you see a close friend or a coworker with a terrible new haircut, you can jokingly say, "Anyari?" Or in a formal way, we say, "Anong nangyari?" Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? Sigh. Oh my. Or an oh well. Hay nako. Hay nako. Hay nako. Hay nako. Example. Hay nako. I'm so tired of major traffic jams every day. Go for it. Push mo yan. Push mo yan. Push mo yan. Push mo yan. Filipinos say it to give support and encouragement to their friends, family, or peers when they're trying to pursue their goals. Let's go Dodge. Or pay for yourself. KKB. This acronym stands for Kanya-Kanyang Bayad. Kanya-Kanyang Bayad. Kanya-Kanyang Bayad. For example, a person says, let's go for snacks. And the second person says, libre mo? Is it your treat? The first person says, no. KKB. Whatever will be, will be. Bahala na. Bahala na. Bahala na. Bahala na. It is often uttered when things are beyond your control. For example, I was supposed to give a business presentation with my supervisor today, but she called in sick. Bahala na. It's up to you. Or whatever. Bahala ka. Bahala ka. Bahala ka. Ka is the equivalent of you. Will it go down? Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. This means you are asking someone if it will go down. See? Don't you think? O, di ba? O, di ba? O, di ba? This is used to provide emphasis to what has been pointed out. For example, she's indeed pretty. See? Don't you think? Maganda nga siya. O, di ba? Right? Or, isn't it? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba may be placed at the start or end of your question. For example, taga dito ka, di ba? You're from here, right? The food tastes great, di ba? Di ba you're from Baguio City? She's your mother, di ba? So that's why. Kaya pala. Kaya pala. Kaya pala. Kaya pala. It is uttered to express surprise at something. A contraction of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Sus Mariosep. Sus Mariosep. Sus Mariosep. Sus Mariosep. It's an interjection, especially when you're angry, frustrated, or in disbelief. You may also use the shorter versions. You say sus or Mariosep. For example, niloko na naman siya ng boyfriend niya. Sus Mariosep. Her boyfriend cheated on her again. Sus Mariosep. What a waste. Sayang. 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 For example, nabuhos ko yung baso ng gatas. Sayang. Or I spilled my glass of milk. What a waste. Oh, really? Or is that so? Ganon? Ganon. Ganon? Ganon? For example, let's not see each other anymore. Wag na tayong magkita. Your reaction will be, ganon? You're in trouble. Halaka or lagot ka. Halaka. 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 Lagot ka. Lagot ka. Lagot ka. This is used to frighten someone or for having done something wrong. Really? Os? Os? Talaga? Talaga. Talaga? Or totoo? To-to-o. Totoo? Os. Talaga? Totoo? Shut up. Tumahimik ka. Tumahimik ka. Tumahimik ka. Tumahimik ka. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned something. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and for more new lessons, please subscribe to John's Under the Sun YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli. Till next time. Paalam. Bye.